Bob Carr here for another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today, I got Grayden Bird. Grayden Bird, I know you are almost up to your ears in Christmas light scheduling of rehangs, new work coming up. And I know I overheard you talking the other day about Westminster, the town of Westminster. What do we got cooking?
It's been busy. Been a lot of people getting rehangs up. All the customers over however many years you've been doing Christmas lights, always coming back for more, adding on to this, adding on to that. Can we reuse these lights somewhere else? I'm tired of it looking the exact same every year, so you gotta deal with that. Almost every morning, someone new's got something up. Then, yeah, the city of Westminster's been a big project to get started. We got that, last year for the first time, and that was half of what they doubled it this coming year. So we got to get all that up and running before, I forget the exact date, but we'll get it done sometime in early November before their deadline and keep all those people happy.
You got a couple weeks, buddy. You better.
I know.
You better get hauling on it.
We're on it. We're on it.
So you got guys scheduled for it.
Yep.
You got a lot of guys and girls. A lot of the rehang specialists.
Yeah, we had a whole bunch of people out there last winter, so there's a lot of people already familiar with, especially what was done
you're
last
saying
year.
About a lot of people. You're talking about TLC employees.
Yes, a lot of our technicians, expert Christmas light hangers, have already been there last year. They already know what's going on, and it's not too complicated. It's just a lot of work.
A lot of work. A lot of trees.
Yeah,
lots of trees.
All trees.
Lots of trees.
Keeping all the store owners happy. All the
that's
people
all
of
clear,
Westminster.
isn't it? Isn't that all clear?
It's all warm white. Yep.
Warm white. So the store owners really love it because it illuminates the street.
Yeah.
Makes it
festive. Yeah. They stay open. Well, I assume that they stay open a little extra later. Even though it's darker out, you might not be getting as many customers. Either way, there's a lot more foot traffic at nighttime.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We were up there last year and we walked. It was beautiful up there at night. So I encourage everybody to, if you're out and about and you're up in Westminster, up in that area, to stop up there and check it out. It's a beautiful job. So what else you got cooking there on a holiday lighting scene?
I feel like this year we've had a lot more customers with metal roofs. It's been something to work around, tackle this year. I mean, there's only one or two that I remember before.
Gotcha.
And we found they either had a place to mount or hook or strap the lights to, but this year it's been a game of, is that metal roof like metallic or is it?
So
what is it made
out of? Magnet on it, a magnetic clip.
It's what we like to do. It's the easiest thing to do. Easy around for everybody on the price for the homeowner. The work that actually needs to be done by our guys. The magnetic ones are nice, real easy.
So we're seeing that with like a lot of the churches, a lot of the commercial job sites.
Yeah.
With the metal roofs this year.
Every once in a while, a regular standard residential homeowner, but for the most part, those commercial jobs.
A farm type of roof.
Yeah.
With the metal. Gotcha. Okay. So you got a lot of Christmas going on. I'm running with the service techs. We got a lot of winterizations. I got 18 guys on the road doing winterizations. We got over 7,000 of them to do. So everything's going on at one time.
Yeah, the perfect idea would be to get all the winterizations done and then get everybody on Christmas lights, and it would be a lot calmer, a lot easier, but it never works out that way.
That's not the nature of the beast, is it, in our industry?
Half the time we get a winterization that then sees a wreath on someone's truck, and then we get a Christmas lighting, holiday lighting quote, which is always nice, but if you could think ahead, homeowners, do this at the same time.
Well, but all of us are procrastinators.
Yeah, no.
Grayden, appreciate you coming in today, talking a little bit about what's going on this fall.
It's always fun.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Stay tuned next week for another episode.